My name is Nasko Terziev. I am a project coordinator of the Horizon Europe project BIOBUILD, who has started 2024 and will continue 4 years. And this is dedicated to bio-based materials which are aimed to save thermal energy in buildings. It is important for us because we have gathered together with 5 other projects which are from the same Horizon Europe cluster, and we have a very similar goals, namely to use biomaterials from reusable sources to implement the new materials into buildings. And this is what is common for these projects, and we use the occasion to exchange experience, to exchange ideas, to discuss the difficulties what we have in the projects, and also to show proudly the results what we have achieved right now.
I think it's very important for RECONSTRUCT to participate in the cluster because we are all moving to a system where sustainability and circular economy is more important. We all work through a transition to lower carbon emissions in the construction sector, and we do that using innovative approaches for producing bio-based materials and mineral-based materials. So through the synergies with this project, we hope to learn from each other, to get feedback and inputs from all the practitioners, and to improve our practices. I think for us, a key takeaway from today's workshop is that we are working on different sides of the transition and the circular economy domain, but we are all working towards the same objective, that is lower carbon emissions and moving the construction sector forward to a more sustainable way of building.
It's very important because even the projects can be very different, yeah? But at the end there is a focus in common to minimize the energy. They work with other materials in other sectors, but we see that the pathways that they are taking have benefits in our project if we implement those. And also we learn from their fails and from the things that were carried out in a positive way.
It's very important to be a member of this CircHub as DRASTIC. Why? Because today also showed that we can learn from each other, we can inspire each other, and actually we can capitalize it in our own projects, in my case in DRASTIC, but also capitalize it maybe for future collaboration and new proposals and projects. I think collaboration, because collaboration is key. You cannot measure an innovation with a lot of stakeholders involved without a good co-creation, collaboration, call it, can also call it co-creation. So, and I think this is great because that's exactly what CircHub is also trying to do.
I think that you can work so much alone, let's say, but when you team up with other people that share the same objectives, I think you arrive further, you have a bigger voice, and it's easier to reach out to the stakeholders that are going to be affected by what we are doing.